Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, May 17th, 2021. If you'll notice on our calendar, counting today, we have 5 more school days this week and 2.5 school days for next week. So that gives us 7.5 more school days. Wow, it's so crazy to think we are this close to the end of the school year. So everybody, we can see the light at the end of the tunnel, so we want to work hard to get there to the end. It is Motivational Monday. Here's your motivational tip for today. Winning doesn't always mean being first. Winning means you're doing better than you've done before. It's a great message. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having chicken biscuit. For lunch, pepperoni pizza. Tomorrow for breakfast, sausage pancake on a stick. And for lunch, spaghetti. Birthdays today. We have 2 birthdays, Isaiah Gamble and Thomas Pugh. So happy birthday to those fellas. Now, a few announcements. PST, all documentation should be uploaded and complete prior to the 5/19 PST meeting. This includes Insights to Behavior documentation. Remember, all library books are due today. Please place books in the buckets outside of your classroom, and Ms. Smith will come collect them. She will print overdue notices for those not returned by the end of the week. Teachers, if you are finished with your student reading textbooks, please place them in your window seat, and Ms. Smith will come by soon to check them all back in. Also, don't forget you need to turn in your iReady teacher manuals. You can put them in the window seat also. Late duty today is Miss Overstreet. Tomorrow is Miss Washam. Then we have Miss Wolf, Miss Barnes, and Miss Waller. Important dates today. All library books are due. May 25th are our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10. May 25th also are our end of the year celebrations. May 25th we will be doing a late device drop-off for our remote students from 3:30 to 5:30. That's on that Tuesday. May 26th will be the last day for students. It's a half day. We will also do a remote student device drop-off on that very last day from 8 to 11. So all remote student devices need to be turned in no later than May 26th. May 28th is the last day for teachers. This week's AR Superstars that have met their quarterly goal are Miss Bertolino, Kingston McAlmond, Miss Bolton, Ashlyn Holmes, Derek McNeil, Giovanni Medina, Aiden Mitchell, Markiel Moy, Callan Ridings, James Sewell, Taylor Travis, Jaquarian Turner, and Camille W. Miss Bowers' class, Max Winstead, and Miss Curd's class, Lemuel Peters and Eric Yulin. Miss Lee's class, Layla Buford, Olivia Gilmore, Astrid Ordonez Maldonado, and Carter Williams. White's class, Salwa DeFala and Landon Quivers. Awesome job! Top patron is Braylon Curtis in Miss Bowers' class, and the top circulating class is Miss Peralta's class with 57 circulations last week. Oh, lots of reading going on in Miss Peralta's class. Hope everybody is meeting their goal in that class. Next, we have our iReady Queens. These are the classes that got the most time in for this past week. In kindergarten, we have Miss Bolton's class. In 1st grade, we have Miss Shaver's class. 2nd grade, Granger. 3rd grade, Hamlin. 4th grade, Miss Langford. And 5th grade, Miss Heichman. Way to go to these teachers and to those classes. Good job, students, for getting your teacher to be the iReady Queen by working hard. Next, let's talk about our iReady lesson leaders. In kindergarten, for reading, it's Sabre Ray. In math, it was James Sewell. In 1st grade, reading, Amari Daniels. Way to go, Amari, in Miss Shaver's class. And math, Melanie Robinson in Miss Dubert's class. 2nd grade reading is Caden Parker, and math is Carson Smith. 3rd grade reading is Floyd George, and math is Parker Scott. Fourth grade reading, Ava McClendon, and math, Jaslyn Thomas. Jaslyn's one of our remote students. She's working hard over there at her house. Fifth grade reading, we have Harold Jefferson, and math, Alexis McDonald. I think Alexis is also one of our remote students. So great job to the students in the building, and great job to those students at home that are also working very hard. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.